5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, welcome on board.
How are you all doing?
Let's get the ball going.
Welcome to Verbal Wednesdays with Rahul sir.
अरे अब तो साल को आ गया टॉपर आदमी बड़े लोग
Today's session is very important from exam perspective.
ओ भाई रुको 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 थांबा इतने मैसेज करोगे तो हम तुम्हें चैट में बैन कर देंगे।
ये क्या बोल रहा है? Sir, your personality is very charming. भव्या, लड़का है लड़की है?
और हाँ एक मिनट
पढ़ाई करो, नालायक हो, डिलीजेंट बनो और पढ़ते रहो।
चलो go ahead everyone, shoot your answers now. A D D. ओ तेरी इन्ने हुशार तो तुसी हो ही नहीं.
दसो टीचर कौन है ट्वाडा?
ना मेरे पास आके एक तो रोया मत करो, बस जो कहूँ चुप करके सुनते रहो।
अपना एक मेंटोर बना लो, जो मुझे बनाना चाहता है वो मुझे बना सकता है, बट चुप करके फॉलो करते जाओ जो मैं कहूँ।
ऐसे बोलता हूँ, तुम खाली नंबर लेके आओ, कॉलेज कन्वर्ट कराना मेरा काम है।
Guys, study hard and go fuck the world.
गिव अवे रूम फ्रेशनर गिव अवे कर दो, चश्मा गिव अवे कर दो, पेपर गिव अवे कर दो।
सर ये भी गिव अवे कर दो, ये भी तुमको साला कुछ दिखाने का ही नहीं।
नालायकों ने मेरे निक्कर तक गिव अवे करवा ली। छट्टो यार
सब गलत। कैट किंग कैसे ज्वाइन करे? सो बेटा आपको नीचे लिंक मिल जाएगा, गो देयर एंड यू गोना बी सॉर्टेड, ओके?
बस जुड़े रहो, 8 लेक्चर्स लगेंगे एंड एवरीथिंग इज गोना बी फाइन।
गाइस जल्दी से लाइक ठोको, वरना मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगा यूट्यूब पर।
So good to see you guys.
हेलो सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि आज 5 PM पे हम आपको नहीं आप हमको देखोगे। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे सर। आई एम रियली ग्रेट दैट आई हैव यू एज माय मेंटर हु इज नॉट जस्ट कन्फाइंड विद टीचिंग मी बट आल्सो इज अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी whom I can sync with really well at many points of conversations, and thanks a lot for being that person that you are. Thank you sir.
सर आप पहले टीचर हो जिन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि तू इंदौर लखनऊ छोड़ दे, देखो अगर एबीसी जाने का मन है तो आराम से प्रिपेयर कर और तू जाएगा। आपने जो भरोसा दिखाया है मेरे अंदर, इस भरोसे को टूटने नहीं दूंगा सर, करके दिखाऊंगा। वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू। मेरी तरफ से आपके लिए टीचर्स डे का गिफ्ट बाकी रहेगा सर, आपको गिफ्ट दूंगा 29 तारीख को शाम को 5 बजे।
Very happy Teachers Day. How would I remember you before and after CAT would be like you were the only one who said to repeat. You were the one who believed that I was meant for something bigger and something better. So thanks for believing in me and a very happy Teachers Day.
Rahul sir, you have been an amazing mentor to me. I think we share a special bond from the first day we met. I remember the Borivali classes where you came in for the verbal lecture. You're like, hello guys, and let's start today with our lecture. And Norman Lewis, I still remember Norman Lewis because we had read it like multiple times. And apart from that, you have been an amazing person to me. You have supported me throughout the entire journey of these 3 years, where you know how many ups and downs I had, and how you always kept me motivated to try and achieve more, because you knew my potential from the start and you were like, don't take it lightly, you deserve better. And finally I got better. Thank you so much. And on this auspicious day of Teachers Day, I would like to wish you many happy Teachers Day. I think that's how we wish it. I don't know particularly, but thanks for being such a wonderful teacher for me. And इसी दौरान चंद लाइनें मैं आपके लिए कहना चाहता हूँ। साक्षर हमें बनाते हैं, जीवन क्या है समझाते हैं, जब गिरते हैं हम हार कर तो साहस वही बढ़ाते हैं, ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही तो शिक्षक है जो गुरु बन के गुरु कहलाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड नमस्ते गुरुजी।
Hello sir, very happy Teachers Day. There are many things I like about you. One of them is you are very handsome, and the other thing I like very much is how you understand our problem and help us overcome it. You keep motivating us to work till the end and to not lose our hopes and dedication.
Hey Rahul sir, you have been a really good teacher, someone who motivates us quite often. Looking at you, it makes us push even harder. Thanks for all the good work that you've been doing, and happy Teachers Day.
Hello Rahul sir, wish you a very happy Teachers Day and thank you for being there, for inspiring all of us to do well in the CAT preparation. And जो आपका टारगेट है ना सर 1000 स्टूडेंट्स का हो वो पूरा हो, और मैं भी उसमें से हूँ. गुड लक सर, विशिंग यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे वंस अगेन.
Hi Rahul sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. You are a wonderful person, a wonderful mentor, guide, and I love you for your dedication towards us. And thank you so much for being that person in our lives, for guiding us all through this path. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
On this auspicious day, I would like to express my gratitude to you. First of all, thanks for being this torchbearer who gets us closer to our dream colleges. Thanks for motivating us. Thanks for helping us throughout the journey so that we get into one of the top B schools of the country. Thanks for being such an amazing mentor. And on this note, I would like to wish you a very happy Teachers Day. And believe me, each and every single student of yours is giving their level best irrespective of the results to make you proud.
I would like to thank Rahul sir for taking 6 hours workshop even in this pandemic and managing to interact daily at least 2 times for teaching. So that's really great.
Wish you very very happy Teachers Day. Your motivation is power booster for us. I pray that you will get 1000 IM call. I'll be the part of this.
Hello Rahul sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day and thank you so much for motivating us, keeping us on the track for the CAT preparation and for everything in life. Sir, you are a great inspiration, a great motivation for us. Once again, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hi Rahul sir, happy Teachers Day. I'd like to thank my stars that I've got you in my life. I mean, I've changed. I've evolved 1,000 folds, and when I look back, I cannot believe that it's me. I've started scripting, I've started journaling, I've started manifesting, I've started reading books. I'm going to make you proud, I promise.
Wish you a very 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 happy Teachers Day to all teachers of my Cat King family. I wish that all your dreams comes true. सर, आपका जो 1000 कॉल्स लाने का ड्रीम है सर, ये भी जल्दी पूरा हो जाएगा और आई विश दैट मैं भी उसमें रहूँगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
यू नो, आप उन 2-3 लाख लोगों की इंस्पिरेशन होंगे जिनको कैट देना है, और आप कैट किंग की तो जान ही उससे हो. मतलब आप सपने तो दिखाते हो, उसके साथ साथ पाथ भी दिखाते हो. इस पे चल, बस तू चलता रहे. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ, बस फॉलो करता रहे. एक भी डाउट हो, बस आपको जूम कॉल कर लो और ऐसे लगता है कि चलो उठो, कर सकते हो तुम. 5 बजे 11 बजे वाला लाइव देख लो, सारे डाउट्स क्लियर. थैंक यू सो मच. लव यू सर. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Hi. As we all know, it is very difficult for somebody to change the perspective of the students from active learner to passive learner. This is what the Cat King Superstar faculty has done with us in the lockdown. In this Teachers Day, I would like to thank each and every Cat King amazing Superstar faculty. Happy Teachers Day and thanks for sacrificing your weekends and your time for our future.
Hey Rahul sir, happy Teachers Day. हम लोग बहुत डाउन फील करते हैं, तब आपका वो जो बूस्ट होता है वो बहुत हेल्प करता है हमको. एंड बस आप ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहो एंड हम आपकी जो भी विशेस है हम लोग पूरी मेहनत करेंगे, वो चीज़ ज़रूर पूरी हो. एंड 1000 IM कॉल्स आपको आएंगे इस बार और वो हम सब ला के दिखाएंगे. सो हैप्पी टीचर्स डे राहुल सर.
आई वांट टू विश ऑल माय टीचर्स ऑफ कैट किंग अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे एंड स्पेशली राहुल सर, जिन्होंने मुझको ये रियलाइज़ कराया कि मेरे अंदर क्या पोटेंशियल है और मैं क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ. उनसे बात करने पर मुझे लगा कि हाँ, कैट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर एनीवन हु इज़ कंसिस्टेंट इन हिज वर्क. सो आई वांट टू थैंक सुधांशु सर, राहुल सर एंड ऑल माय टीचर्स. आई विश देम अ वेरी वार्म हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू.
You're not just my teacher, but a mentor who helped me see that I can be more and gave me the confidence to dream big.
Hey Rahul sir, I wish you a very very happy and a hearty Teachers Day. The way you motivate us, it instills an invigorating rhythm in all of us. Not only to you, I wish to all the Engage 7X members, all the mentors, all your team, a very very happy Teachers Day. Keep motivating us and guiding us as you always do. Thank you.
I wish you and the entire Cat King family a very happy Teachers Day. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take and the love you shower makes you the world's best teacher. So always keep motivating us, and thank you so much for always keeping us on track and motivating us. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy Teachers Day. The way you motivate your students to strive for the best, I think it's the best quality in a teacher. I hope इस साल 11-11-11 ABC calls आ जाएं आपकी आदमी से. Thank you so much and wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
ओए, लोगों को पता नहीं है साडा टीचर कौन है. राहुल सर हैं अपने. थैंक यू राहुल सर टू बी पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. हम आपकी निक्कर तो मांगे ही नहीं, अब गिव अवे में आपने मना कर दिया है. बाकी हम सोच रहे हैं हम मांगना क्या है.
wish you a happy Teachers Day, Rahul sir. Thank you for being an educator who knew how to illuminate our soul with its own light. You have always given us reasons to dream big and the resources to achieve it. Whenever I feel anxious or low that whether I can do it or not, I just watch your video and I get motivated, and with this motivation I go to my study table and just study. So thank you for always motivating us and inspiring us, and happy Teachers Day.
Hello sir, wishing you and all the Cat King family a very happy Teachers Day. May God bless you with 1001 I am calls, because 1001 is again a Bhagwan ka number.
Hello sir, I'd like to wish you a very happy Teachers Day, and also to Radhika ma'am, Anisha ma'am and Utpal sir. All of you are doing a great job of nurturing us as future managers. Sir, we look up to you, we try to learn everything from you, we try to copy your style. Such a great experience to be growing with you sir, I feel very lucky for that. You always keep telling us to keep killing. So today I'd love to tell you sir, keep teaching, because you're the best at it sir.
Wishing you and the entire Cat King family a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much for always being a teacher that teaches beyond books, and for your constant motivation and support. Thank you so much. I promise we'll make you proud.
Wish you and the entire team of super talented Cat King faculties a very happy Teachers Day. We are really fortunate to have faculties like you who constantly support us, guide us, and give us the path ahead in our CAT journey. I wish Cat King the best of luck for its goal of 1000 IIM calls, and I truly hope to be one of them.
The reason I dream big is the immense motivation and positive energy you shower upon us. Thank you, sir, for being the incessant support to do my best.
Hi sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. You really inspire us a lot. We love you sir. Have a good day.
Hi sir, a very happy Teachers Day to you. I hope it's all good in Punjab. Your lectures motivate me always to improve myself, and sir, I wish that you achieve all your goals in your life.
Happy Teachers Day to you and the entire Cat King family. Sir, thank you so much for coming 2 times live on the YouTube and motivating us. That really gives a goosebump to us. And sir, trust me, 1000 IIM call आएंगे.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tashmai Shri Guru De Namaha. The Guru's form is the root of meditation. The Guru's feet are the root of worship. The Guru's word is the root of mantras. The Guru's grace is the root of liberation. Happy Teachers Day to all the Cat King faculties, especially Rahul sir. A very happy Teachers Day to all of you.
Happy Teachers Day, Rahul sir. I still remember that last lecture you had just a week before CAT. The way you motivated us, it kind of stayed with me and helped me through the entire journey, right from giving CAT to making it to IIM Bangalore.
Hello Rahul sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. On this day, I really want to thank you for all the support, all the guidance which is provided by you to us. It is really a blessing to have you in our lives, sir. Thank you so much.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे राहुल सर. आपका हमेशा बोलना सब अच्छा ही होना है, सब चंगा ही होना है, एंड आई गेस आज सब अच्छा ही हो रहा है. सो थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
I hope you are extremely safe and doing well. Happy Teachers Day sir, and we all love you.
Hi, happy Teachers Day, sir. वैसे तो already बहुत सारी दुआएं हैं आपके पास, but still I'd like to bless you for whatever you have been to me, and in so many ways you've changed my life altogether. So can't thank you enough. आपका एक बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग है, नंबर तुम्हें लाने हैं, बाकी का अपन देख लेंगे. मैं तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करा दूंगा, and you actually ended up doing that in my case, which is like super amazing.